Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to Couponing. This is Splint Rose. This is, well, you could say a couponing slash prepping video. I have started storing up items for my prepping just in case, because we don't know what's going to happen. We know we are living in perilous times right now, and just this year, 2020, in the beginning of the year, we were really going through something with this coronavirus, COVID, quote unquote, COVID-19, and we couldn't do just certain items we were not able to find. And even if you go into the stores now, there are items that are not there. A lot of the canned goods, people have just been buying up stuff like crazy. So I said, well, let me just pick up a little bit every day. And as I showed you before, we do have like a 3-month supply of food in our ongoing pantry, our daily pantry, the pantry that we eat out of every day. So we have plenty of food. But the thing is, we really don't eat canned food. And one of the reasons being is that there's just so much sodium in these canned goods. If we look at this, look at that, 790 milligrams of sodium. That's a lot. And then 1 cup of it, that's just one for 1 cup of soup. And that is 180 calories. But if we're talking about if you eat this whole thing, that's 390 calories. And then all of the ingredients that are in here, they like double or triple. So if you look at that, then you see that now the sodium is 1,720 milligrams. So that's one of the reasons we don't buy canned foods, because they have to use so much salt to help, help the products last, help preserve the product. So we usually don't eat that way, but we have younger children. Well, we have children who have youngsters, and our grandkids, they're young yet still, so even if they eat a little bit more, their metabolism and all of that stuff is faster, and they can break down this food quicker than we could. But so I'm buying with the thought in mind that maybe my kids will need uh, some foods, and we'll have them here for them as well. All right, so that's why I buy the canned goods. Otherwise, we don't buy. Everything we get, we eat fresh. And the cereal, we really don't eat cereal, but get it for the grands. They eat that. So these soups here, which I got a good price, they were, let me just see, I don't remember offhand how much the soup was. Oh wow, did they ring up for $3.49? They rang up for $3.49, and they were supposed to be 2 for $4. Yeah, they did. They rang up for $2.49. I don't know why I don't be paying attention. If that's the price, oh, you know what it was? I was on the checkout, where you go and you check out. So if that's the price, I'm taking this back, because no, I'm not buying no soup that expensive. Yeah, I'll probably take that back, because it's saying $3.49. That's $7, $6. Well, $7, $6.98, and that's what caused my stuff to come up so high. But anyway, so you see the tuna was 3 for $3.33, and the other, this is not tuna, this is white chicken, and I guess you can use it like you do tuna fish. Those were 3 for $3.33 too. So right there, that's 666. Those are 666. And then I bought the cereal, and that was $1.99 for each one. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. But the soup, but I had $1 off coupons for the cereal, so that should have taken off $2. So that brought it down to 14, but I don't know what happened here. But anyway, it must have came out the right way, because after I used my coupons, $1 off for the cereal, and then I had $6 in extra care bucks, that brought me down to $13.60. All right, but I really do have to check. I really do have to check, because I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'm not sure about the soup. If I was charged if I was charged $3.49 for it, because I'm not paying $3.49 for that soup. But anyway, this is items that I bought to add to my stockpile of prepping items. So I'm gonna take the soup back and get it for the price that it was listed at, and it was listed at 2 for $4. So I'm definitely going to take it back and get my money. If it was early enough, I'd go back right now, but it's not early enough. It's kind of late. All right, so I'll do that tomorrow. And I'll let you know how that turns out. It always turns out good, because, you know, I don't know. I be having favor with people. I know people and stuff like that, so I don't generally have a problem. So anyway, guys, these are my prepping items. I even bought the cereal. I'm going to store that in my prepping items stuff. I put some containers. I'm going to put them in the containers and store it that way. All right. Okay, so start your prepping if you haven't started. And do better than I did with this, and make sure you watch. But I just had so much stuff. And I don't know. I don't know, because I was doing the checkout myself. I don't know. I thought it was taken off, but it wasn't. But anyhow, guys, I ended up paying $13.60 for all of this. All right, and I'll look at it. I'll let you know how I do tomorrow when I take these soups back and get the right price. All right, guys, love you much. You see how you can make mistakes with couponing. Don't give up, because you do make mistakes. Mistakes make you get better. And sometimes in the midst of trying to work out a deal, something may get by you that you don't see, and you don't see it until you get home. And that happens. It happens to me a lot. So I don't mind, as long as I can go back and fix it. Okay? So, and that's what I'm doing. All right, guys, love you much. Thank you for joining me. Remember, have fun shopping. Don't worry about a thing. You're doing good, okay? All right, I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye-bye. Hey, guys, just in terms of prepping and preparing, I don't need to buy any seasonings. We have everything. I mean, look at this. And this goes deep. It goes deep. There's more in the back. So we have all kinds of seasonings that we can use to spice up our foods. And then even up here at the top, I mean, if I move this out of the way, it goes 2 back. So there's more back there. So we have plenty of seasonings. So that's one of the things that I don't ever have to worry about buying, because we have it all. My husband always makes sure. Let me just see up here. Oh, that's where I put sugar, regular sugar, that I use. Okay. So, yeah, we got plenty, and we also have storage of more spices there, and vitamins. Like here, we have all our vitamins, so I don't have to worry about that. And you know I coupon, so I have my medicines, and different medicines for different things. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Okay, thank you. I'm downstairs in my prepping cabinets and stuff. I came down here so that I could reorganize. I had bought some shelves. I'll let you see. See up there? I bought those. They're not shelves, but they are organizers for your canned goods. So I put them in there. And as you take one from the top off, as you take this one from the top, it rolls down. So I put 2 up there, and I just stacked the various canned goods in it. I don't have a lot of the same things. So that's why I had to vary what I put in there. So, okay, you know, as you, oh, I gotta hold it up so you can see it. And as you know, this is all of the preserves that I made. This is all the canning that I did. I did a lot of canning over the summer. You know, jellies, tomato sauce, more jellies, and like a salsa dip. I only made 3 of those. And here's more peaches. These came with the peach tree that we have in the back. And over here, I'm just so proud of my pickles. Look at the pickles. I'm really proud of those. Our family, they love pickles. I made these pickles. I felt so proud of them. Didn't taste them yet. I don't know what it tastes like. But let me show you over here what else I did. I just put these back there. I didn't want to hang them up on the wall. And one fell down. My husband hung it up on the wall. But here, I also, in this cabinet, I put 3 of the shelves up. 3 of those, these new organizers for the cans. See, and as you pull one out here, the others drop down. And up here at the top, I put one up there too, just for chicken noodle soup and New England clam chowder. All right, so it's always about organizing and getting things together. Yeah, I didn't use those cabinets all the way up there. I don't know what to use them for. And who's going to climb up there every time they want to get something out of there? I guess those are cabinets that you use and you don't put what you're going to need or what you could use daily. And in here we had to get, I guess, more food. Because this is that ice cream from, I think it's from Aldi's. It's a vegan ice cream. And my husband just went off buying it. It's all back there. Look at them. It's stacked up double. And these ices are for when the kids come over. We already got a little small turkey just for us. We don't have much food in here. All of our frozen food is over on the other side. And what else is in here? Nothing, you see? Nothing. We have more eggs over here. And those Arizona drinks, I bought those from CVS when they were on sale. Those are basically for my grands. And I do like the this one, the Mucho mango. I like the mango ones. All right, so there's nothing over here. But anyway, guys, this is where I have my, oh, I showed you this water before. I bought 2 of them when they had them on sale. When they were practically free at CVS. We don't drink this kind of water. It says purified water, but who knows what that is. So, all right, guys. Thank you for joining me. Splint Rose signing out. Bye-bye.